Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to thank God and thank you guys for the rapid growth. I couldn't have done this alone. We did this together. It is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. Kindly click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Guess what I am sharing with you today? Tiger nut pudding or Atadwe milk. One of Ghana's favorite snack, which is being sold everywhere across the country. So let's get started. I have my tiger nut, 2 cups. I have soaked for 3 days. I have half cup rice. I have soaked for just 1 day. I have half cup brown sugar. You can use the white sugar. You can also use honey, and I have my vanilla essence. So what I do is, first and foremost, I blend my tiger nuts and my rice with some water, but the water shouldn't be too much. So I blend it to the smoothest consistency, and then I strain it with my strainer. This is the first straining. So I strain, I press to extract all the juice out of the chaff, and then I will blend the chaff again. Yes, there are more juice in it, so I'll add some water to it and then blend it again. So here we are after the second blending. So I'll still press to extract all the juice from it. We are leaving no stone unturned. I want my pudding to be very thick, so I just rinse it with a little water and then still press and press and press. Yes, so afterwards I use my cheesecloth for the second straining. You can choose to use any silky fabric of your choice. And here we are, you see the chaff. So this is our milk now ready to be put in. So what's here? So I place it on a medium heat, and then I stir it continuously until it thickens. But the stirring should be just one direction. Now I add my salt to taste. This is just half teaspoon, and then I add my vanilla extract, also 1 teaspoon, and then I stir the same direction. Yes, if you change the direction, your pudding may be watery, so you stir it using the same direction. So if it is clockwise, you go clockwise. Now I add my brown sugar. Yes, tiger nut pudding. You can choose to use the white sugar, it's acceptable. You can choose to use honey, but if you want to get the brownish color our sellers derive, then it's best to use brown sugar. So you can see our pudding is doing great, it's doing amazing, it's doing beautiful, it's doing sweet and smells good. The aroma is great. So you see it has thickened nicely. You can see that very thick, very smooth, fluffy, and tastes great. Just look at that. Just look at that. Ghana yenum ye yete ye wazoye. So after trying it with this line, I can see that my tiger nut pudding is ready. Yeah, if it doesn't flow back, then it means it's ready. So here we are. Yes, our tiger nut pudding is ready, and I got exactly the color I wanted, just like what is being sold in town. So now I take my dessert glasses and then I'm doing the addition. Yes, immediately the pudding cools down, it's going to form this lump on top of it. So it's better you dish it out when it's hot, and then it will cool down in your dessert glasses and take the shape that you want. So that's what I'm doing here, and you can see very sweet, very smooth, and the color exactly how I wanted. So someone was asking the difference between tiger nut milk and then the pudding. So this is the pudding, and the first video I posted, of which I will put the link here, is the tiger nut milk. So here we are now. It has cooled down and you can see how thick it is. Yes, I garnished mine with some ice cream, some fruits, and some biscuits. So please try your hands on it and send me a comment. I love you guys. Please like this video, subscribe, and share to support me. Bye bye.